ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ìlú Ọ̀yọ́ lé ní Ìbàdàn ó ṣẹlẹ̀ o VDM very dark man ṣé mo pé mo sọ fún yín pé lòun bọ̀ ní Ìbàdàn lé ní dúdúgbẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ o wọ́n bá Seyi Makinde jáde síta láti bá àwọn protesters sọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ bọ́nlẹ̀ àwọn hooligans kan wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe ọrùn bí iye ẹ̀yìn wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe orí bí ẹsẹ̀ wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe apá bí itan wọ́n rò pé bí àwọn lè bá àwọn VDM fà wàhálà ṣẹlẹ̀ wọ́n yabò wọ́n o àṣà àwọn VDM gbé jígà dání gbé àdá dání everybody bá yàdá síta àfi tẹ́ bá wo fọ́nrán yìí ẹ̀yin ènìyàn mi àfi tẹ́ bá wo fọ́nrán yìí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ àfi tẹ́ bá wo fọ́nrán yìí ẹ jẹ́ ká farabalẹ̀ láti lọ wo ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ Seyi Makinde àánú ẹ̀ ṣe mí ìdààmú ti bá ọkàn ẹ̀ tẹ́ bá rí ó hàn lójú ẹ̀ ìdààmú ti bá àánú èèyàn kì í pẹ́ ṣe mí àánú Seyi Makinde ṣe mí ṣùgbọ́n Seyi Makinde ẹ lọ gba àwọn ọmọdé wọn sílẹ̀ ẹ pé Seyi Makinde lọ pe olóyè Sunday Igboho kó wá ràn ẹ́ lọ́wọ́ nǹkan àbọ̀ ọ̀nà tí màá sọ fún ẹ nìyẹn o kò ní jù báyìí lọ ẹ bá wo fọ́nrán ìdókòó ẹ wò ẹ rí.
They like that now. I only started play for us.
Must go! Anybody call? Must go! Anybody call? Must go! 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 Bandit! Must go! Bandit! Must go! Bandit! Must go! Must go! Must go! Bandit! Must go! Bandit! Must go! Bandit! Must go! 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 Must go!
Our president! Our president! No. Bandit! Must go! Bandit! Must go! Bandit! Must go! Bandit! Must go! Must go! Must go! Must go! Bandit! Must go!
Keep quiet.
Please, everybody,
Please, keep quiet. We came here for one reason. We are here for one reason. Because we want banditry, terrorism, kidnapping to stop in it's quite unfortunate that the issue that is bringing us today happened in Oyo State. However, it didn't start from here, but I'm happy that this one is bringing us together. So we are here to ask the governor that when are the children coming back? And what is he doing to bring the children back? And also, we are here to also commit ourselves that if the governor does not have men, we are ready to volunteer ourselves to go into the bush with the police, army, Air Force, security officers that are ready to go into the bush. As of now, we don't even know the condition of the children. We don't know if the children are still alive. Over 45 of them was taken into the bush with their teachers. And one of the teachers had been beheaded. It's quite unfortunate. So we want to tell the governor what is the plan and when are we going to see the children. Thank you, sir.
Help him with his mic.
Well, I do hope. Can you hear me, please?
One house, one house.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Sorry, sir. Well, first, let me tell you that I will tell you the truth and nothing but the truth. One, if I am not in government, I will be with you. I will be protesting also. Assuming I am not the governor of Oyo State. So, I do not have anything against what you're doing. Yes, to have a society where leaders are accountable, to have a society that is inclusive, sometimes it may require agitation, it may require protest, it may require people getting up from their comfort zones to do something like this. I will not shift blame, but our reality is that a state government is not in charge of all the security agencies. I'm not, as the governor of Oyo State, the CP, I can call him. We can meet, but I cannot deploy him. If I say go to XYZ, he will need to get approval from the Inspector General of Police.
What?
The same thing with the military. However, when I came in, security was one of the cardinal principles of the administration. That's why we set up Amotekun. Amotekun has not been harmed adequately, but that is our reality. However, let me give you the assurance that I am also distressed because I have children of my own. I'm also distressed with what has happened to our children. And it has been 1 month. It was 1 month yesterday. 1 month and 1 day already now. Because of the nature of the security situation that is involved, I cannot divulge a lot of information. But I can tell you that there's no information that any of those children or their teachers have died. And because it is a rescue operation, and this is the first time anywhere in Nigeria that they've kidnapped people or abducted people, that they have done it. This is the first time they've done it to nursery and primary school children. This is the first time. And these are children that they cannot even run or do anything for themselves. So the operation to rescue them is a special type of operation if we don't want to lose any of those children. I give you the assurance that I, as the governor of Oyo State, by God's grace, we will bring out those our children. They are talking to us. It's not something I would normally do. If government starts negotiating with bandits, it means we're surrendering sovereignty to the bandits. But in this special situation, if we want those children alive, we have to bend backward. But once the children are out, I give you the assurance that we make it very, very clear. Oyo State is not Chibok, and it will not be Chibok. We have lost men, even soldiers, officers. I can confirm to you that a lieutenant in the Nigerian army was killed. Go on, sir.